Hello and thank you so much for watching. I am Ijapari Gang, the mom on point, and today we are going to learn how to create Google or Gmail account. So the first thing I will do is to go to my Gmail app and click on add account, then click on Google. While it's checking, I'm so interested in Gmail because having a Gmail account will give you access to so many things like creating YouTube channel, saving your content on Google Drive, and so many things. So here it will ask me to either sign in or create account. So I'll click on create account, then my name. Let me use N to N. You can use your name, anything you want. Then here I will do dynamic end-to-end dynamic. I'll click on next, end-to-end dynamic. Then here will ask me for my phone number, so I'll put on this number and click on next. All right, it will ask me for a code. All right, this is the code. Then the next thing is to choose my birthday, the day 17th November. That's my birthday, 17 November. But as for the year, I'll just put anything. 19 80. 80 is too much. 83, yes. Then gender, of course, female. Then I'll click next. It's asking me I should choose one. NN dynamic. No, okay, I'll go with this dynamic NNOCs. So you can choose or you can create a different one. So I just want this video to be short, so I'll click on a different one. It will ask me for my password. I'll just use this and click on next. Then the next thing, I will agree. Good. So I'm done. Like, I've created my email. So it's as easy as that. It's not